It's a nice little refresher on converting fractions, percentages and decimals. It's in worded format. Can be a bit difficult for some people when it is in written format, but not to worry. I'll try and make it as simple as possible. So 0.65 as a fraction in its simplest form and as a percentage. So to do that, I'm going to do 0.65 next I'm going to do 0.65 times 100, which gives us our 65%. So we've got our percentage, and then it's asking us for the fraction in its simplest form. So to do that, I'm going to get my 65 and I'm going to divide it by 100. Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. And that comes to 13 over 20. It's as simple as that. You should all know 3 over 4. 3 over 4, 3/4 equals 0.75 as a decimal, or 75% as a percentage. Remember this one. You need to know this one. Convert 45% to a decimal and a fraction in its simplest form. So this time we've got 45% at the front, and that is going to be 0. Actually, no, I'll do 45 over 100 first, which gives us our fraction. And can we simplify that? Let's just work it out, show you how I do that. I need to get this so it divides into 5. It's 100 exactly. Well, I know 5 does. So 5's into 100 goes 20 times. What number am I getting to get from that? Dividing that by 5. So I've got 9 over 20. Now that is in our simplest form. And what's the next one? A decimal, and the decimal will just be 0.45. Express 5/8 as a decimal and a percentage. This one's a bit more trickier. Try and remember this one if you can as well. So we have 5 over 8. I'm going to times that by 100, which gives us our percent, which is 62.5. And it wants it as a decimal, and our decimal is going to be 62.5 divided by 100, and our answer will be 0.625. Is it a calculator question? Possibly. I'd ask your teacher. Right, 0.2 is a fraction and as a percentage. So 0.2, come on guys, you should know this, equals what as a fraction? It's going to be 1/5, isn't it? And you can't simplify that. And then 1 as a percentage is just going to be 20%. And we work that out by 0.2 times 100 equals 20%. Express 7 over 10 as a decimal and a percentage. So 7 over 10, we should all know this, 7 over 10 is 0.70, and as a percentage it's 70%. The question, we're asked to write our decimal into a fraction in its simplest form and as a percentage. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make it into, I think I'll do a fraction first. Since there are 3 digits after the decimal place, I'm going to divide this by, yes, 1,000. So I'm going to do 375 divide by 1,000 will give me 3 over 8. That might be a calculate question, possibly. I'm not sure. And it's asking us to find the percentage. Well, we know what the percentage is. It's 37.5%. express 2/5 as a decimal and as a percentage. So that really is an easy one to finish off. So 2/5 equals, I hear you cry, 0.40 as a decimal, and then it is 40%. And that is that. So that is some quick revision on fractions, percentages, and decimals. Goodbye.